Hello everyone, my name is Karim of Shousha. I'm senior lighting artist at Ubisoft. And today I'm gonna show you my new update on my underwater blueprint version 3. So in this update, I add a new system, PCG system, which is something that will allow you to create any environment underwater in a few minutes. So once you open the project, all you need just update or re-download your projects. So you will receive notification from Gumroad if you purchased before from Gumroad, or also if you download the project from Google Drive, you can just use the same link and re-download the project and open it. So once you open it, it will show you this new demo. As you can see here, there is a new details, and also I worked more on the blueprint itself to make it more realistic. Now the look and feel, it's more realistic. But what we are looking for here now, I'm gonna create a new levels. So let me create a new level here. So there is some folders here. I add colors to just bring your attention where you have to go. So as you can see here, there is a new folder. It's called PCG. Once you open this one, so you have three things here. The first thing, it's for landscape ground and planets landscape, but the main one, it's static mesh. So let's drag and drop this here, and boom, as you can see here, we have a fully procedure underwater scene. So it's very simple. You can change the details and the parameters here. So let's talk about the parameters first. The first thing here, it's a base mesh. So simply you can create bunch of meshes by search here, and I'm gonna use this one, and boom, we have this nice rocks. Okay, so you can simply change any kind of rocks to create your environment very easily. So I can just move this here and take another one. We can use, for example, this one. You see, we have very nice scattering assets, and also for sure you can modify these assets, and I will show you how to do this. Okay, we can use this also. We have a ground, corals ground, you see. So now we create very nice grounds, has too much details here. So let's talk about the details and the assets that I have here. Okay, so I can take this one and change it with this one. Okay, so as you can see here, it's working in any on any assets, so you can bring any 3D assets, and I will show you even how you can create your own rocks assets and apply my new PCG on your assets. So the first thing here, we have a fall-off amount. So basically, if this 0, which is mean all the assets are gonna scattering in all the area, but 1, oh sorry, 0.99, so it's gonna have less scattering. Okay, and this one's amount, so it's the same. So if you want less assets, you can change this value 0.50, or if you want to add more, you can add more. So from 0 to 0.9, so you can get some customized shapes. Okay, so here you will find all the assets I added here with some controls. So sponge, for example, this yellow one or greenish, I think it looks yellow. So we can change the scale. So if you want to hide it, you can put the value 0. So now there is no sponge anymore, but you can just keep something like this, 0.5. Okay, I think we can check with this one. It's better for me. uh, okay, so here I change the scale. Okay, and for this one, for example, the blue one, so you can get something like this or two. So you can change your scale, and you have min scale and max scale. Okay, so let's bring it to the default. So also I have a grass here, and you can for sure modify this grass. So if we look at the grass here, you have the amount of grass. So 0.5, but I'm looking for the grass this first. So here you see I can add more grass, or even you can scale it up. And if you want to hide it, just put the value on 0. Okay, the grass tool also here, I have this one, but it looks bad a bit. So from 0.1 to 0.2, so that's a good value. Okay, and the voltage also. So let's say you have a ground. Okay, and let's take this one. So you have a ground and you want to add some voltage here. So the voltage, basically you can add it 0.5, and let's say I have one here, the max 2. So now we can add some voltage here, and it's fully animated. We can change the amount from the amount here. So now we have less foliage, or, or you can keep it as a default. Okay, and also coralline here, the red one. So that's something very nice. Also you can modify this assets, or you can add your own assets. So let's say 0.5 and 1 so now we have more, or you can change the value as you wish. Okay, also we have corals here, which is something very nice also. So let's see the corals here. I am really love this one. So I keep it 0 because it's too heavy. So I don't want your computer get heavy, or the project get heavy. So you can just change the value. Let's say 0.5, and the scattering amount. Uh, yeah, I think that's not bad. You see here, we have this nice scattering. So let's bring this 0.3. So now we have very nice scattering. You see here the details, it looks really great. So now we have a fully underwater scenes. Okay, also there is another thing here, the rocks. So let's see what's going on here. Also, if I add, let's say 0.2, 0.2, so I have also some coral rocks here, which is bring more realism to your assets. Okay, and if you go back here, now you can modify this, so you can add more or less, it depends on your assets. So now we have some nice corals, and once you finish, you can change your the shape or the mesh to get your look like this. Okay, so now let's say you need to create your own mesh like what I did here. So I create my own mesh here. Okay, so how you can do this? So let's say I need to create something like this. Okay, so I will bring this one. Okay, and let's create any shape. So we can scale this down, and let's add it here. We can rotate it. Okay, because you know in underwater the rocks it looks always looks different. So I'm gonna do something like this. Okay, just very quick shape. It's like a horse now. Okay, so let's say you have this shape and you want to apply my PSG on it. So all you need, just select all of these rocks. Okay, and make sure you select all of them. And from tools here, you will press merge actor. Okay, and you can put them in corals, ground, and name it whatever you want. So let's say this test rock. Okay, so once you have this test rock here, I will remove this one and duplicate my PCG, and let's find the test. Here the test rock. It's created too, but it's fine, no problem. So now it's applied very easily in just few seconds. So it's the same thing. You can change the parameters to get less or more. And from here, you can start to create your own environment. So that's pretty much about my PCG. And now let's see what else we have here. In PCG, we have a landscape ground. So if I drag it and drop, there is nothing that's happening here because you need to create landscape. Okay, but be careful, don't create too much space. So I'm gonna create 7 quads here. Okay, and let's say I'm gonna do something like this. Okay, once I drag it and drop here, boom, we have a very nice grounds. You can start to mix it between the ground and this shape. So now it's all mixed together, and the planets also, you can drag and drop the planets here. Boom, you have this very quick environment. So now I can take this one. Also, one more thing, however you move the assets, you will get some randomized look. So if I move the assets here, so you see all the assets is gonna be have some randomization, so it would never be the same. So that's that's how you can create your underwater scene without any tiles. So you will get fully randomized look. And also you see it's very easily because Nanti it's enabled. So let's say I'm gonna take this one, create a walls. We can take this and let's add it here. You see even this one we can scale it also to get the look and feel that you are looking for. Or you can use this one. So you see here we have a rocks here. So now I can move this one and put it up there to create my own rock. You can edit the texture in Photoshop by removing this number. Okay, but yes, as you can see here, the rocks, it looks very nice. So I can add something like this. So now we created our underwater scene. You can start to go from here by drag and drop just my underwater and modify the setting here. Okay, so yeah, now you can start to create your underwater scene by using PCG system. Okay, so what else you can do also? So let's say you need to add your own assets. So let's say you don't like this grass and you need to add your own grass. Okay, so I'm gonna take this one. All you need, you have to go to PCG, and from here the static mesh, not here, you go to the blueprint and open this one. Once you open it, it will show you some tools here, so you will find the correct name for each asset. So let's say I need to change the asset for the grass. So here, this is a long grass. I don't need this. I need the grass, just grass. Okay, so I have the grass here. So basically you can just go here and you will find some mesh entity, but open this one, the tree, because this one it's empty, but I need to go here, and from here I can just find any other grass, like the grass from Megascan. So I have the planets here. Let's find this one. Yeah, there is a nice one here. It has some flowers. Yes. So let's take this one and put it here. Okay. So if you go back here and try to find the grass, you will never find the grass here, because this grass, it's too small. So all you need, try to scale this up like 10 or 5. So now you have this grass. Okay. Uh, just want to make sure, yeah, on this option. Just want to make sure that the grass, it's follow the shape, the normal shape. So yes, I think there is something wrong here. So if you couldn't find the grass that follow the shape, so you can simply just uncheck absolute rotation. So yes, now the grass, it's scattering in all direction. Some of them it's gonna be floating in the air, but you can add some rock shapes. But yes, you can change any type of assets here by find the right assets and go to static mesh swapper and open them to find where it is. So let's say this one, nothing here. Also number 2, nothing there. Here. So it's located here. So if you want to change this one, you can simply let's say I need that one. Okay, you see it's changed very easily. So we have a new one here. So now you can add your own assets and just put it in your blueprint. So now there is a demo. You can find it here from PCG demo test and just open it. I will not save anything here. Okay. So as you can see here, we have a very nice environment. You can start modified, or you can create your own movie. So it's 360. It looks great so far. And also it works very well on the Epic on the Epic system, Epic mode. So it's very simple, very easily. So one more thing before I end this video, if you want to replace any assets, just make sure that assets has a ninate enable. So by tested here. So let's say I need to add this rocks. So you just need to double click, okay, and make sure you enable the ninate here, and then press apply change. After that, you will able to add any kind of rocks. So that's pretty much the new update is for free for the people who purchased my underwater version 3 before. I will send a notification on Gumroad, and if you watch this video, all you need just re-download the same file that you downloaded before. And also now from my website you can download it directly if you're gonna purchase my my blueprint. You can download it directly from my website linkcomentary.com. And also don't miss my offer on my lighting course. Now there is a discount 50% on my lighting course. If you want to learn how to become a lighting artist, it's fully from beginning to advanced, 7 weeks, and we have it. We have too much lessons, and it comes with all the structure and projects and everything. It's in Discord. Also, I will send you invitation to for the Discord groups that you can follow up with me. And if you have any question, you can send me anytime on Discord, or also you can interact with the other student if you want to meet them or you want to learn more from them. So absolutely you will have access to Discord. And if you didn't get my sky system also, so there is a chance here to get Sky Atmo Pro if you want to create your environment with fully realistic mode. So don't forget to check my Sky Atmo Pro. You can create any mode very simple in few minutes, also with the fully lighting in outdoor lighting, and it's very realistic also. So thanks for watching, and see you in next video. See you. Bye bye.